Never been on liver mush, never in a rush, just hanging out in my backyard, strumming my flat top, sipping my sun drop. 'Cause sometimes life is just too hard. Wasted away again in Bowling Springs, searching for my BSK. Some people claim that there are better dreams, but I say there's no way. Don't know the reason it's only sold in this region, but I know it makes a damn good drink. Just mix it with some Grey Goose, get ready to turn loose, then let me know what you think. Wasted away again in Bowling Springs, searching for my BSK. Some people claim that there are better dreams, but I say there's no damn way. Wearing my flip-flops and searching my laptop, trying to find my next favorite recruit. I'm sure we'll get wasted, but man, how it tasted, with lots of friends and plenty of work. Wasted away again in Bowling Springs, searching for my BSK. Some people claim that there are better dreams. Hell, I know there's no damn way. Yes, and some people claim that there are better dreams. Hell, I know there's no damn way.
Kimberly and Neil from To Travel and Tour here. It is Travel Day, and this is in honor of our friends Ronnie and Alma from North Kakalaki. Woo! 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 No. Woo-hoo! Woo!
Space Mountain is the oldest ride in the park, but it's the one that's got the longest line. Woo!
Life is good today with Ronnie and Alma Stokes. Don't forget your Boiling Springs Kool-Aid, BSK.